Hello guys, to Passive Project here again. Kami speaking for you guys. I will show you last week performance from Sonic AI traders on Tac Markets broker, and I will show you how big deposit I already have after about 9 months of reinvesting and adding new funds to my account on Tac Markets connected to Sonic AI traders. Today I will show you results, my live account, how it looks like, the real trades from real professional traders. And before I will continue, of course, I need to remind you about the risk in this industry, that past performance never guarantee future results. You need to remember about the risk in this industry, that you need to only put money in trading, in copy trading, in every passive opportunities, only free, risk-free money, okay? So guys, uh, before I will continue, I need to show you my screen, where I will show you a MetaTrader 5 from today. So we have today two trades, one very nice, very positive, and another one, the second one, like you see, it was a short trade that didn't go well, but it's still smaller loss than profit from here, where we have short, and we can see that this was nice move from the traders. This is only a small, like you see, this showing you a risk to ratio that traders set on the main account from we are copying the trades, that they always have a very tight stop loss in their setups. So they have very tight stop loss, and like you see, the price in that short, if go this direction, then we could have a stop loss. But because it's directly go to their predicted direct, yeah, of the market, then we have a really nice smooth move with really nice profit, because this is very fresh loss. We have before $77 on my account, so this was really nice percent. It was like about 2% of my account, something like this. So really nice. But after that, it was small loss, but it's only showing risk to ratio that traders are using. So if the trades will not go in that direction, they cut off losses. This is very important, that stop loss are always very small, very tight. So they will not thinking, oh, maybe market will go another direction, maybe we will wait. No, cut stop loss. And like you see, the market first go for their stop loss, and now market going to their direction. So guys, before I will continue, I will show you maybe all my positions from last week. Okay, like you see, we have today 13th of July, Monday, and we will summarize last week. Okay, last week how it was look like, because this was very nice performance week. It was 5 days, because Forex, because gold market is only open 5 days a week. Okay, so we will summarize these 5 days. Okay, so like you can see, I've got $359 profit in last week. When we will check this, how big percentage is that? It's 7% from my deposit. Okay, it was on my now it was more than 5,000, but before that it was like this one, my deposit, because before investing. Okay, I will show you this here just to prove you that everything, this is my account. Yeah, I only showing you results from this account. I have another account from my Sonic pool here, it's working separately, but this results I'm showing you from this account. Okay, so I reached $5,000 now. After about 9 months, we will summarize this as well in moments. But for now, let's focus on last week. It was 7%, 7.25% from my deposit from last week. It's, guys, amazing results. Really amazing results, okay? It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades, and only one was losing trades. It's like about 88% of accuracy. It's something unique in this industry that traders trade only a few trades a day. It's like if we have here 9 trades from last week, it's mean that it's like about 1.3 trades a day. It's like almost nothing, you know. It's very important for me because that mean that the traders are very professional because they not overtrade. They always stick to their rules. They never, you know, if they have a lose, it's okay. Okay, it's nothing. It's just a part of the trading. They just waiting for next opportunity. They will not, you know, counter trading. You know, just to, you know, take from the market what they lose. They will wait for next opportunity and they will enter the market. Then, only then. So this was amazing week because we was able to earn 7.2% from this last week, and we can even check how much it was on net, because minus 50% profit share, 7.2 minus 50%, it's 5% netto. It's like after a 50% profit share, we have 5% for us from last week. So it was a really, really nice week. All right, guys. And we can check this channel from the traders that they summarize all July. All July was looking like this: 15 trades, 11 wins, and only 2 losers. Win ratio, it was 84%, and total profit was 9.4% on, of course, 24x accounts. Of course, if you still don't have a 24 accounts, you can write me. If you didn't join to Tag Markets, to Sonic AI Trades, you can always write to me and ask about the instruction how to connect. You have all my contact details below that video in description. So guys, if you can see how much how big performance was, I can show you here. And like you see here, it was 11 wins and 2 losses, but after 2 days, it was like 12 wins and 3 losers, yeah? Up to today in July. So we have up to today 12 wins and 3 losers, okay? Just to be full transparent with you guys. And just to be full transparent with you guys, I will show you all my performance today, how it was look like, how much I deposit, how much I have. Like you see, I reached $5,000 deposit. When I was starting with recording that kind of videos on this channel, it was about $1,000, something like this. So like you see, it's really, really growing. This account is growing. This account is live account. This account is not demo. It's my physical money. Like you see, I will show you maybe all this period of time. Just to be full transparent, I will go back to last year where I started, because I started at 23rd of October last year, and now we have July. Okay, now we have 13 July. And like you see, I almost reached $4,000. It's before 50% profit share, of course. And like you see, I started at 23rd of December. Okay, so it was here 25th of, sorry, not December, October, yeah. And here I put $500 because I didn't, you know, I didn't believe in that opportunity. I was writing a lot of articles in internet that everyone can write anything in the internet. You need to remember, because a lot of you guys sending me some articles, sending me some haters, videos on YouTube that they are telling you that this is a scam, that, I'm 10 years in this industry and I know that more than 90% of projects in internet are scam. And these guys who are talking about everything is a scam, they are almost right about this, because most of opportunities are hypes, are scams, are projects with daily ROI, and you need to remember that they not always have right. That this is their business to put you in this emotion that you will share this video, this article with others in this particular project, and they are making money on views, on ads on their sites. And you need to remember that they are only people that have right to have own opinion, but this is not need to be true, okay? Because before I joined tech markets, I read a lot of articles that this is scam and this is not paying, and I was checking, a lot of bad reviews. But after this 8 or 9 months in this project, I can confirm you that all my withdrawals was always on time, always. And I know many people that have the same experience. There are not any problems with withdrawals, everything working fine. And after this visit in Dubai, I can confirm that I was checking the papers that telling me that everything is looking very real. We always have a risk involved in trading, in passive opportunities, but this is a really, really different thing that I read in internet. In internet, everyone can read anything. You need to remember that, okay? And you need to write your own story, write your own deduction. You need to think independently, to not, crazy in this world, because everyone really in internet can talk about anything, but the truth is always in different space, okay? You need to remember that. Okay, guys, so I started with 500 because I was skeptical, but after a few weeks, after a few months of watching how these traders trades, I saw after this all very, very difficult market, I saw that these traders are really professional. And after I saw how they trades on all this highest ATC, the highest price on gold in history, then the highest drops in gold history from 100 years history. It was record breaking moves on gold. Very, very difficult market to trade. After 3 or even 4, even 5 months of observing these traders, I talked to myself, okay, that guys really know what they are doing, because after this war in Iran, the gold was dropping like a crazy, not going up, and a lot of traders I was watching in different places, they blow their account on, they really didn't manage this the same like these traders. These traders from Sonic AI, they closing every week on profit. They have losing days. Okay, the profits wasn't so nice like today, but they still was doing amazing job and closing every week. So when I was saw this, I put 1,500 more to this strategy here at 8th of April, and then, like you see, the profits was really, really nice, really, really better. Was looking really, really, really amazing. So what have I done? I was watching, and after this first 5 months, I've done. I didn't tell you this. I forget about this. After this first of 5 months, more than 5 months, a little bit, I saw that from this 500 I put on the beginning in October, they make 100% with I was reinvesting about two times a week. Okay, I was putting this reinvesting button like you see here. So I decide to put more after I saw that from this 500 I have $1,000. Okay, I say, oh, this market was really difficult and they still generating 100%. Okay, I putting 1,500 more. So I have here 2,500 on that moment. Okay, it was at 8th of April. So like you see here, I make really nice profits every day. And after few months later, I decide to put $500 more. Okay, I have about, I don't know how much I have then, about $4,000, something like this. More than 4,000, about 4,000 and 500 or 700, something like this. And at 30, like you see, 30 of June, I put another 500, you know, because it was a really, really small amount to put to reach the $5,000 in deposit in all my deposit, because I have here 500 before on another account. So I have here about 4,600, something like this, or 400, something like this, 4,300, 400, something like this. And I decide to put 500 more just to have this second share from Sonic Pool promotion that it's not available anymore. It was only available in June. I was recording a lot of videos about this. So I put 500 more dollars just to reach that 2 shares. Okay. And so I totally put 2,500 of my deposit. And it was like you see in my time, this time record, it was like in every few months, we can say. Okay. Some part of this deposit I was putting more. The biggest one, it was at 8th of April, it was 1,500, but totally I put $2,500 totally here. And like you see, the profits now is really, really nice, and it's only growing, okay, every week. So I really enjoy that, guys. And for now, I have $5,067. I can put reinvest here, but I will wait until the end of the day. But this is my results. This is how much I earned in this period of how much it was. It was about we can check this here, I think. So we have here October. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Something about less than 9 months. Less than 9 months, okay? 8.5 months. I have $5,000, and for now, I really enjoy the daily earnings. It's about in last week it was about $80 daily, something like this. So this is really, really nice, and I hope it will be it will be growing next weeks and next months and next years, hopefully. But always, guys, remember about taking your initial capital after few months to withdraw your capital. For now, in my opinion, it's still early, so I will just growing this and using the compounding effect, because I know that after a year, the compounding effect is start growing massively. So I hope I will able to show you this, guys. And I think this was everything that I was trying to show you guys, that everything is real, everything is transparent. These results are amazing. So thank you very much for watching. Always remember that you can write to me in description of that video. You have all details to contact me via Telegram. So guys, thank you for watching. Leave a subscription button if you enjoyed that video, and see you in next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.